This is uncharted territory. Let's move this big pipe holding the door shut. Oh yeah. Aladdin's treasure, man. Not much in here, but could be good. But there's not a lot, but we don't know what it is. Let's take a peek. I don't recognize any of this. So, Honda 750 engine. I don't know what that is. Big gearbox to something. I see a little bit of everything. Most Honda, but I see some British stuff over there. This looks like all Honda. All Honda. I don't know what that big giant frame is. That thing's massive. What is that? Motor Guzzi. That figures. It's a massive frame. It makes sense though. Honda engines. Glossy stacks. I don't know what this stuff is in here. Oh, this is all that. This is all Ducati. Everything here is Ducati. This is the Ducati shipment that I was talking about that's been missing for years. Yeah, this is all Ducati stuff. Desmo stuff. And later stuff. There's some frames. There's some wheels, swing arms. There's an ECU. Some gearboxes. Injection system, more wheels. Another frame. Looks like an engine in there. Whole engine's in there. Ducati engine. This looks like all wheels and front fork tubes in here.